In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the VPN is not connecting in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So if you're having any kind of trouble with the VPN, this is what you have to do. First and foremost step is all about we just need to go over here on the search. Now type here for control panel, and what you need to do is you just need to click on the control panel, and that is going to take you to this. Now over here in the control panel, we need to make few changes. First and foremost step is all about we have to set this to large icons. And once you get into over here, what you need to do is you have to go to the network and sharing center. And once you click on this, that's going to take you over here. As you can see the internet, you have to click on this one over here. And right now, what you need to do is you have to click on the properties. And from here, just scroll it down and make sure the Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. If it is checked, you have to uncheck this. And once it is done, you have to go for OK. And you have to close it, and you have to close it over here, and you have to check. And this is the first and foremost step. Next one is all about we just need to go over here, search it for settings, and what you need to do is you just need to go over here and click on this one. And right now, what you need to do is that this going to take you to the network and internet. And over here, as you can see, there is an option called VPN. You have to select this. And right now, as you can see, if allow VPN over metered network is turned off, we have to turn this on. And similarly, the allow VPN while roaming, if it is turned on, you have to. If it is turned off, you have to turn this on. These two things are very important. And also, you have just need to go back to the network and internet. And from here, click on Advanced Network Settings. Now from here, what you need to do is you just need to, over here you can see, we have an option called Reset Now option over here in the network reset. Click on this one, Reset Now, and just go for yes. After the reset is done, your system will be automatically restarted and you have to check. And right now, the VPN will be working fine and you don't have to worry anything. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.